Welcome back to my channel. This is Mommy E, your favorite grandma. So guys, I am excited because we are still featuring India. Incredible India is just one adjective for India. India may also be called the land of the temples. So guys, let us now start our journey around India in search of these rich temples. This video is a suggestion by our viewer, Chris Gokul. So Chris, here is your recommendation. So guys, our topic, top 5 richest temples in India. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and the bell button too. And let's get started. 1, 2, 3.
India is better known as the land of diversity. It is also a place where religion acquires more importance. Although we are moving towards modernism, still our culture, rituals, and religion are well preserved.
That's good.
Many ancient temples are still standing to tell the saga of India's rich religious heritage. Some of these temples continue to function and are among the richest temples in India. Few in the category of the richest temple are not old, but due to great followers of devotees, they are on this list. So let's take a look at some of the richest temple of India. Number 5. Siddhi Vinayak, Mumbai. Visitors arrive here in numbers ranging from 30,000 to 50,000 per day. Lord Ganesha is sitting under a golden roof, and the temple has accumulated 158 kilograms of gold offerings worth $67 million so far, which makes Mumbai's richest temple collect around $2.2 million per year. The heavily guarded walls here are strictly off limits. The temple is also frequently visited by celebrities from around the world. Apple CEO Tim Cook is the latest addition to the list. Number 4. Vaishno Devi Temple. The Vaishno Devi Temple is one of the richest temples in India, visited by millions of devotees from around the world. The sacred shrine of the goddess Vaishno Devi attracts a large number of pilgrims every year. It is the center of deeply rooted Hindu religious beliefs. With an annual income of around $7 million, about 8 million pilgrims arrive at this temple, which makes it the second most visited temple in India after Tirupati. Number 3. Sai Baba Temple, Shirdi. Sai Baba of Shirdi has millions of followers around the world and is known for helping those in need. Supposedly, there was a collection of over rupees 2,000 crores for the temple. According to reports, the temple's bank account has about rupees 1.8 billion plus 380 kgs of gold, 4,428 kgs of silver, and a large amount of money in the form of dollars and pounds. The incredible numbers mentioned above make the temple a worthy candidate on the list of the richest temples in India. Number 2. Venkateshwara Temple, Tirupati. The Venkateshwara Temple is visited daily by 50,000 to 1 lakh people, and the number rises to 5 lakhs during festivals and special occasions. With so many devotees paying tribute daily, it shouldn't surprise us that the temple receives large amount of donations. The Tirumala Temple has gold reserves as 52 tons of gold ornaments, including ancient gold ornaments and vessels of deities donated by kings for more than 1,000 years, worth more than $20 billion.
That's a wow.
According to an estimate most recent, each year it converts more than 3,000 kgs of gold received in pilgrimage or hundi donation box as gold reserve deposits in nationalized banks. It's the richest temple our country has got. And Tirupati temple gets an annual donation of Rs 650 crore, and it alone makes $11 million for selling laddus. Number 1. Sri Padmanabh Swami Temple, Thiruvananthapuram. Padmanabh Swami Temple is not only the richest temple of India, but also the richest in the world. The temple is built in the Dravidian style architecture, which is prevalent in southern India. The temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. It was discovered that the recently opened temple's walls were flooded with gold, silver, and diamonds. Some people estimated that the value of the treasure is worth $1 trillion. This puts the temple far ahead of any other temple in the world. And there is a very small possibility that any temple can match the amount of money it has.
Thank you. So, we visited the richest temples of India and so intricate carvings, so rich culture, and what is most important is the huge amount of revenue and wealth that these temples are possessing. So that is so awesome. The Indian people are really religious people who frequently visit their temples and make donations and offerings to their gods and deities in these temples. That is how they were able to collect this huge revenue. So I would just like to add some information about the number 1, the Padmanabh Swami Temple, which is worth $20 billion. So it is the richest temple in India and one of the richest religious places in the world. And it is built in the 8th century and is one of the 108 Vishnu temples in India. And it is believed that Mahavishnu, the Supreme Vishnu, resides in Padmanabh Swami Temple. Here is a nice tidbit. Just a few years back, it was learned that a huge treasure was discovered, tucked away in the hidden vaults of the temple. So there were 2 vaults, the A and B vaults. One of the vaults, the vault A, was opened. And lo and behold, when it was opened, a wealth amounting to billions of dollars was recovered. And the amount was said to be even greater than the wealth recovered from the pyramids. The vault B is still unopened, but it was believed that the vault B contains a lot more wealth. So that is one trivia that I would like to share with you. Also, here are the tips for visiting this temple. Number 1, only Hindu are allowed to visit the temple. Number 2, only traditional dress is allowed inside the temple premises. Number 3, strictly no photography. And number 4, gadgets like mobile phones, tablets, laptop, or cameras are not allowed inside the premises. So guys, If you like this reaction, please give me a big thumbs up. And please hit that subscribe button and the bell button too. And thank you for watching. See you on my next reaction.